How to design a Shopify store like a pro, step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Shopify and how you can design your store from scratch. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna go into all stores over here and we're gonna be creating a brand new store. We're gonna skip these onboarding questions and directly move towards your business location. Proceed with your business location over here and your Shopify store is now being built. Now once our Shopify store has been built, we can proceed on to the next step, which is going to be to start designing our store. We're going to move towards store design first and later on add products. So to get started, we're going to click on online store on the left. And once you click on online store on the left, you will see your current theme, which is going to be the Dawn theme. Now, if you want to alter this, you have a few different free options available by Shopify. If you scroll down, you will see some of the other popular themes. You can even visit the Shopify theme store to pick out a new theme. I personally think that the Dawn theme is really nice because of how customizable it is, so you can easily use it. I'm going to click on customize over here and we're going to get started. Now for store design on Shopify, on the left you will have your theme settings. So this gear icon is going to be your theme settings, and when you set these up before you start designing, it just makes it really easy to have everything be in the same type of color scheme and the same type of fonts. So just click on select image and upload logo images and some default branding content here. I am going to be uploading my logo for my brand called Spencer. We're going to be designing a store for Spencer. And we're just uploading our logo over here. So we're going to wait for our upload to be completed, select our image, and then click on done. You can also upload a favicon image as well. Then you're going to go into colors and you will have different color schemes. If you have a particular color scheme in mind, click on add scheme and you can add your own color scheme. Then you can easily apply this color scheme to different sections on your store. So let's say I want a color scheme where the background is going to be black, where there is going to be text in, let's say, a pale color, like a pale brown color. I'm going to go for that, a creamy color. And the button background is going to be in that creamy color over here, the button background. And the button labels are going to be in a black color. The button outline, again, is going to be in the creamy color like so. Now that I've created this color scheme, okay, I can click on any section. So for example, I click on my header, I scroll down and I can click on change and I can change the color scheme like so. Just like that, I've altered the color scheme. Now, if I go into theme settings, I can proceed with the fonts as well. So I can go into the fonts and then set up different fonts that I want to use. Let's say I want to use the serif font as my primary font. And then in terms of my secondary font, I want to use the Amiri font. I can select that. I can also click on the layouts, animations, buttons, all of that can be customized, including things like your product cards and more. Now it's time to go back into sections and start editing. On the top by default, you have an announcement bar. I don't want that, so I'm just going to remove that. And then we have our image banner. Now I don't want to use this type of image banner, so I'm going to go into sections on the left and then delete this. Once I delete this, a featured product section from the bottom goes up, but I'm going to click on add section and I'm going to scroll down and we actually have multiple different sections available. And the one that I want to use directly is rich text. So I'm going to add that on the top. I'm going to add the rich text and then scroll and move it up by clicking on the buttons on the left. From here, I like to add information about my brand, so just select the heading, and then from the left, you can add the heading. Spencer is a premium brand for clothing and for classic pieces and crafted with care. And then after that, I can add more information, more, sections, but I only want to add this header. I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to select this section, click on change and edit the color scheme. Then after that, I want an image section. So I'll go back into sections on the top left and then click on add section. And from here, I'm going to add another image banner. And then I'm going to move it above the featured collection. Then I'm going to again change the size of this section by reducing the padding to 0 because I want this to be really close And again, with the header as well, if I go back, I'm going to remove like the bottom padding so it's not so far apart like so. Now I'm going to go into the image banner simply by selecting it and then click on select image. Click on add images over here and you can add your product images or your banner image. I recommend you build a collage of images placed horizontally side by side. This looks really nice. So you can add that, but I'm just adding this. And then we have the banner height. I'm going to make this a relatively small banner. Then we are going to choose the content positioning. I think middle center is fine. And then I am going to click on the color scheme and I will change the color scheme as well. Now with our image, you will see you have the option to add 2 images. So you can crop the image as well so it fits a bit better. So you can crop and transform. And I'm going to crop it like so. So the image part that we do want, I'm going to make it freeform and I'm going to crop it over here and then click on save because I want this to be like a focal point of the image and then click on save on the top right. And now I can click on exit. So the changes should be applied. I will have to readjust the focal point. Click on save and then you will see edits in the positioning. Then you can click on the heading and add more, more call to actions over here. So shop our neutrals, shop our textured neutrals, let's say. And then from there, we can add a description about those. So you can add any description you want. You can even click on the generate text option on the top left to generate the text, and then you can add your buttons. So there are 2 button labels. You can just remove one and then keep one if you're only having a call to action on one button. From there, you can move towards the next sections and then just click on Save for your Shopify store design. Once your store design has been completed, our store looks really nice right now. You can click on products on the top left and start adding products to your Shopify store. And that is how you can build your Shopify store within a couple of minutes. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.